The total number of schools in India today stands at 1.5 million, a figure that ranks among the highest in the world. But despite this massive scale, take a look at this. Look at how the way we travel has been completely redefined. But now, look at where our children spend the most important years of their lives. Do you see any significant changes? Because the world has progressed, but the classroom is still stuck in the past. Teachers now spend up to 60 hours a month on admin tasks rather than teaching. Burnout is at an all-time high, with nearly 70% of teachers reporting frequent symptoms of exhaustion. National data, ASR, shows that nearly 55% of grade 5 students still cannot read a basic grade 2 text. We created an education management platform to give the classroom back to the teachers. By automating 90% of administrative overhead, we allow mentors to focus on students, not spreadsheets. Our system is powered by the most advanced AI available, Gemini.
This is our teacher dashboard, where teachers can manage their classrooms and track student progress. Now let's move to the lectures section. Here, a teacher can create a new lecture. For example, I'll create one with the title IoT. We can select the class, subject, chapter, and also set the lecture duration. For example, 45 minutes. Next, the teacher can add the lecture content in multiple formats. We currently support 4 content types: audio recording, video recording, text document. External link, a teacher can either upload an audio file or directly start recording from the platform. For this demo, I'm using a text-based lecture transcript, so I'll select the transcript option and paste the lecture content here. You'll notice inside the transcript, there's a line like, "Rahul Kumar, you are disturbing the class. Keep quiet." This is an example of something a teacher might say during a real classroom session. And later, we'll use this exact line in our AI behavior tracking feature. Now I'll click Next, review everything, and publish the lecture. Even after publishing, the teacher can always edit the lecture later, so there's no stress. Once published, the lecture appears in the teacher's lecture list. Now let's move to the AI features section. Here, the teacher first selects the lecture and then can generate learning content automatically. With one click, the platform can generate structured notes, flashcards, a quiz. Now, as you can see, all 3 are generated successfully. Next, let's move to the student portal. This is the student dashboard. And in the lecture notes section, the student can see the notes that were generated from the lecture transcript. These notes are clean, structured, and optimized for studying. And students can also download them. Now let's go to Study Tools. Here, students can access the quizzes and flashcards that were generated earlier. They can attempt the quiz directly and also use flashcards for quick revision and spaced repetition. Now the most important part of our platform, games. On the teacher side, we can generate learning games directly from any lecture. The teacher selects the lecture, chooses a game type, and the platform generates it automatically. Currently, we support multiple game types like crossword puzzle, hot potato, match pairs, quick drop. For example, let's generate a crossword puzzle. Now if we switch back to the student portal, we can clearly see that a new game has been uploaded. Students can play the game, improve their understanding, and learn the lecture concepts in a fun way, instead of traditional boring study. Next, we also have the hot potato game. This is a timed bomb-style game that creates pressure-based recall, which improves memory and speed. And similarly, students can also play match pairs and quick drop to strengthen recall and retention. Finally, we have our behavior management feature. Remember the transcript line about Rahul Kumar disturbing the class? Using AI, the platform can detect such classroom incidents and generate a behavior report. The teacher can review it, approve it, and then send the behavior update directly to the student or the parent. So overall, this platform transforms a lecture into notes, flashcards, quizzes, games, and behavior insights, all automatically, with almost 0 extra effort from the teacher. That's it for this demo. Thank you so much for watching.